We now know that when we value a project, we have to take into account the project's risk because of the trade-off between risk and return. And because risk can be especially significant in biomedicine, in some cases involving life and death issues, we have to think about risk extremely carefully. In this unit, we're going to study risk in a much more serious and direct way, shifting from abstract financial concepts and turning to the details of the drug approval process instead, including an analysis of the risks from a statistical perspective. In particular, we study the process of conducting a typical randomized clinical trial and how we evaluate the results to decide whether or not to approve a new drug or device. We then turn to the statistical properties of clinical trials, such as size, power, and cost, and their relationship to the financial valuation of a biomedical project. This statistical analysis will probably be the most challenging part of the course, so put your seatbelt on. But it's also where the rubber meets the road in how risk is handled in the drug development process. In fact, these statistics have important financial implications, which is why we need to get into their technical details.